Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error on your Windows or PC. So let's get started. So let's start this by ensuring your system meets the game's requirement. Then visit this page to check the Roblox system requirements and ensure your PC meets or exceeds this requirement to avoid memory dump errors due to hardware limitations. An updated graphics card driver can trigger the Roblox error that you are getting. So if you use a NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest using the other one, which is the GeForce. So on the GE or GeForce Experience window, navigate to the drivers section. From here, proceed to the download and latest driver. Okay, it's now downloading. This will automatically download and install the GPU driver for you. You should also make sure that you're running the latest Windows version. So open your Windows settings and head to the Windows update section. Now click check for updates and proceed to download the latest update before restarting your PC. And once it's done, you may now restart your PC, and then let's see if this works, and hopefully that will resolve the problem or the issue that you are getting. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates to come. Thanks for watching.